Testimony continues at this hour. Right now, the jury is hearing Mosby's own voice on recorded phone calls that she made with customer service agents from Nationwide. That's the administrator of the city retirement plan that's in question. Today, this trial started on time just after 9:30. It moved quickly, including opening statements from both sides, in which the government told jurors that the defendant lied about a non-operable travel business taking a hit in the pandemic, and with the defense saying she believed that she did suffer financially, so she did not lie, and therefore she's innocent. The government went first on the trial's first day, laid out its case to the jury in a 30-minute opening statement that former Baltimore State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby lied about COVID-19 financial hardship so she could illegally make an early withdrawal from a city retirement account, and told the panel the defense will argue it's about her travel business, but will show you evidence it was a non-operable travel business. How could you lose revenue if you didn't have any clients, if you never made a single cent? She knew what she was doing. In its 12-minute opening, the defense told the jury that COVID crushed any chance for that company to get off the ground, and Mosby believed she suffered financially because of it. This case is about a 3-page form and what was in Marilyn Mosby's mind when she completed that form. And so she did not lie. And so Miss Mosby is innocent. After openings, the government called its first 3 witnesses. The city payroll chief, who said she herself was furloughed, but Mosby never was. Then the director of the retirement account in question, who said the CARES Act allowed employees to self-certify their qualification, as Mosby did when she checked a box and signed a form. And then an FBI forensic accountant, who was still on the stand at the lunch recess as Mosby's supporters emerged from the courthouse, feeling good so far about the case and the jury. How do they seem to be reacting, responding? Are they paying attention?
The jury is very attentive, and some of them appear to be a little frustrated with the government because they were expecting more than what they were receiving, at least thus far.
And during that FBI forensic accountant's testimony late today, the jury heard those recorded phone calls between Mosby and customer service agents for Nationwide, the administrator of the retirement account, in which she expresses frustration about the deadline when the CARES Act provision will expire. More on that is coming up new at 6 o'clock tonight. The direct testimony of the FBI agent will continue when the trial resumes here tomorrow morning. Reporting live from Greenbelt, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL TV 11 News.